How's it going, guys? Butcher's Block here. Oh, there goes the first thing I dropped for the video. Alright, so this is almost certainly going to be a fail video, but I've got a couple questions to ask about this lock as I'm picking. So, a couple of months ago, I got an absolute score from the eBays. Excuse me, mate. I got this Medico. Oh, it's down. This little cam lock. So I have been. It doesn't have the little retaining thing, so it comes out pretty easily. Lovely drill protection. This is the first and only Medico that I've got. It is a 5-pinner, as you can see. So when I've got it in the vise, I'll have to sort of keep it there. So this is the bitting, and these are the cuts for where the pins need to which angle. So first question off the bat, there's only, my understanding is there's only 3 variations of which way the pins can go. It's either that way, or that way. If I am wrong, please let me know in the comments down below. Alright, so let's get into a vise and start picking. So get it in here somewhat tight. Alright, so I'm going to go with top of the keyway. And I've got my my favourite picks in 15th hour. My Devs and my Petersons. Alright, so so I've been watching a few different videos of how to pick these Medicos and such, and I've been getting a little bit of contradictions in how to pick, which I'm sure I'm that's obviously going to be the case with different people and different picking styles. So, sorry, let's get some. Oh no, I need it close so I can hear the clickage. The camera can hear the clickage. Alright, so one thing I need to get people's experience on, do I lift the more to the shear line first and then attack the angles, or do I go one at a time? And the other question I have, is there a better pick to use when getting the angles? Is it good to use a gem sort, a flat sort? I don't know. So any help would be muchly appreciated down the bottom. Alright, so I'll just pick on this for a little bit. I don't expect to get much anyway. Alright, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to do light tension, and I'm going to try and get to the shear line first. Oh, sorry, I got scrambled, don't I? Let's go from the back. 3 bonding. That's 2. having success with this one. So I haven't picked on this much, maybe for an hour or two in total. That's 2. Alright, let's click. Alright, I'm going to go on with the dev because pin 5 is a really high cut. I feel set. Back in with my Peterson. There we go. Alright, so at this point, all the pins seem to be at shear line. Right, now I'll try and be quiet while I do this next part with the little wiggle, and I'm hearing little clicks. Is that the angle of the pin getting to where it needs to be? So I'll go to the back, right there. Right there. It's only very faint. So now number 3. There. Number 2. There. So I don't know if the camera's picking it up, but I'll move a tiny bit closer. But there's tiny little clicks when I go back and forth. Those little clicks there. So forward click, backwards click. So is that the, oh, too spinning. Okay, that felt nice. Is that the angle being set, or is that just me moving it? Alright, we go a bit springy, so I think I've overset something. Alright, one's feeling really tight. Right, let's try the dev for pin 5. See, that sounded like a nice click. Alright, and do I mess up the orientation of the pins by going in and checking if everything's set. All right. One's gone springy. So I got let off the tension. All right, don't want to mess around too much because I don't expect to get an open with so little time put into it and not really know what I'm doing. So if anyone with some experience could answer any of those questions below, that would be so gratefully appreciated. Yeah, so I hope everyone's enjoying their Sunday. Everyone stay safe, stay well. Until next time, hooroo.